All right, mistake correction section. And as always, warmth first, correction second. These are honest mistakes. Mistakes that show you're thinking. Mistakes that show you are trying to use real English in real moments. Let's just gently point them in the right direction.
Let's fix them gently.
Mistake number 1, a very common one. Someone says, "Have you eaten already?" and means, "Have you eaten? Is it done?" But what they want to express is actually an open question about whether the expected thing happened. And that feeling, the expected thing, the open question, that belongs to yet.
So, have you eaten yet? That's the natural question. Yet in questions is checking, did the expected thing happen? Already in questions, have you already eaten, is possible, but it carries a slight sense of surprise, like you didn't expect the eating to happen so soon. Maybe it's only 11 in the morning and you're asking, already? Already eating?
So the difference in question form, have you eaten yet? Neutral, just checking. Did it happen? Have you already eaten? Surprised. That was faster than expected. Both are correct, but they carry different feelings. Choose the feeling that matches your moment.
Mistake number 2. Someone says, I still haven't decided already. And I hear this combination sometimes, still and already, in the same sentence, trying to cover both feelings at once. And I understand it completely. Because the speaker feels both, the continuation and the sense that it's taking longer than expected. But these two words pull in different directions. Still says ongoing, not done. Already says done, finished, sooner than expected. They can't hold hands in the same clause without the sentence getting confused.
So pick the feeling that's stronger in your moment. If the continuation is what you want to express, I still have not decided. If the surprise at how long it's taking is what you feel, well, actually, that feeling is closer to yet. I have not decided yet. Still and yet can actually work beautifully sometimes. I still have not decided yet. That can work, and native speakers do say it. It adds emphasis, the continuation plus the expectation, but use it sparingly and never mix still with already where they contradict each other.
The rule of thumb, still and yet can be friends. Still and already are opposites. They live on different sides of the door.
Still and yet can be friends. Still and already are opposites. Write that down, everyone.
Mistake number 3, word position. This is a gentle structural one. Someone says, I have decided yet. Positive sentence, yet at the end. And this sounds off, because yet in positive sentences, it's just not its home. Yet belongs in negative sentences and questions. It's almost always a companion to not, or it lives inside a question.
So I have decided, positive, finished, no yet needed. I have not decided yet, negative, yet is home, comfortable, natural. Have you decided yet? Question. Yet is checking, perfect. I have already decided. If you want to add the surprise or emphasis of doneness, use already in the positive, not yet.
Think of it this way. Yet needs the darkness of not to shine. It's like a star. It only appears when the sky is dark. In a bright, positive sentence, yet disappears. It has nothing to do there. Let already take the positive sentences. Let yet have the dark sky.
Yet needs a dark sky. That is such a beautiful answer, and I'm going to think about it every time I use yet from now on.
Good. Me too.